Villains, robbers, bandits, crooks, they're all over your TV screen.
A civil authority has issued local area emergency for the following counties or areas. Orange, Florida, at 5:42 p.m. on May 4th, 2022, effective until 6:42 p.m. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Orlando Police Department on behalf of the Florida State National Guard. The Florida Police Department is asking all Orlando residents to lock their doors immediately. Mass rioting has occurred near the Orlando metropolitan area. If any rioters break into your home, defend yourself with any means necessary. Take any blunt or heavy object to defend yourself. Stay tuned to this channel for more information on this developing situation.
Hate fussing with a blunt.
Beginning of 6:50 p.m. and ending at 10:50 p.m. Shelter in place immediately. The mass rioting in Orlando has escalated. It is too dangerous to abate it at this time. Shelter in place in a hallway or basement. Authorities have issued a hazardous materials warning for all of Florida beginning at 8 p.m. and ending at 10:34 p.m. FLCBLE. This is a toxic waste message. Barrels of radioactive material have exploded near Orange County and surrounding areas. All of Orange County and surrounding areas should evacuate immediately. This is a mass casualty situation. Do not panic as it only makes the situation worse. Please evacuate Orange County now. Repeating, please evacuate Orange County now. This is a dangerous event. Again, barrels of radioactive material has exploded near Orange County and surrounding areas. Please evacuate Orange County and or the state of Florida now. It is too dangerous to shelter in place at this time.
Breaking news. Riots in Florida.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. The rioters in Florida have begun rioting in several states around Texas. Because of the uncertainty of the situation, we are asking all Texas residents to stay vigilant in the case of the rioters moving here. Stay tuned to this channel for more information on this dangerous situation.
Clear TV lets you.
The civil authorities have issued a civil emergency message for all of Texas beginning at 8:43 am and ending at 9:43 am. KDTX-TV. Several rioters have been spotted in Dallas. Because of the rioters' fast movement, we ask all Texas residents within a 50-mile radius of Dallas to shelter in place. Gather food, water, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered radio. Stay tuned to this channel for more information on this dangerous situation.
An order to evacuate immediately has been issued for the entire state of Texas, including every county, effective until 10:14 a.m.
The civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning for all of Alabama, all of Arizona, all of Florida, all of Georgia, all of Louisiana, all of Mississippi, all of New Mexico, and all of Texas beginning at 7:46 am and ending at 12:46 p.m. Keem FM. The rioters in Florida have spread to the following states: Arizona, Florida, Georgia, Louisiana, Mississippi, New Mexico, and Texas. Residents in these states are advised to evacuate towards the northern United States now. We have brought the military to deal with the rioters. Thank you for your cooperation during this emergency. Authorities have issued an administrative message for all of Alabama, all of Arizona, all of Florida, all of Georgia, all of Louisiana, all of Mississippi, all of New Mexico, and all of Texas beginning at 10:40 am and ending at 12:50 p.m. KDHJ. All clear. We will now return to normal programming. Thank you for your cooperation during these hard times.